To use fingerprint to access secret mode in the internet app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to enable fingerprints in the secret mode setting. To do so, open Samsung Internet app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, and then tap setting. Tap personal browsing data. Next, tap secret mode setting. Under biometric section, tap the gray on off switch next to fingerprint. Enter your current secret mode password. And then tap OK. If you have typed the right password, the fingerprint option will be turned on. With this setting, instead of typing password, now you can easily access secret mode in the internet app by scanning the finger that you have registered before. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.